Bed? You like this big bed? Huh?
Yeah, this one isn't cute.
You want to put also like this in your bed? Huh?
Kaka-appreciate na talaga siya. Oh, you're so happy. You're so happy. Aww.
You're not cold? Yeah, but your feet is cold, oh.
Hindi nagkukumot eh.
It's my hands.
Your hands is also cold. Yeah?
I burp.
You work?
Just kidding. I'm just not like a frog.
You can buy also. Yes.
Yeah, and I can be a big girl too.
Of course. You can be a big girl also. Mami, go. Grabe. Sa'yo ba to?
Ano?
Ba ito? Is this yours? Ba ito? Huh?
Yeah, it's mine.
It's yours, yes. Ah. Did you miss Daddy?
Yeah, we are a family.
Wow. What happened to your hair? Huh?
It's so funky.
So funky.
You are both as big and mine is small.
Ay, nako.
Is it cold? We switch off the fan?
No.
No?
Time to eat now. Breakfast time na.
Oh, let's eat.
Let's go now.
Want to go now? Huh? No?
Come on.
Do you want to go now? Let's find some food. Let's go find food.
Oh, what's your gift to Daddy pala?
Where's my gift? Baby bear is missing.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Yeah, the luggage is missing pa.
Baby bear is still maybe in Europe.
Oh,
Poor baby bear. Baby bear is alone.
can you bring
Baby bear forgot to pay his ticket.